Is that not the coolest thing you've ever seen? I've been wanting to try Fenty Beauty. Is it for your bum? I mean, I love it. Dana, Dana, do look like a lady. Is that song about me? Because my eyebrows are getting pretty bushy. Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. And today I'm gonna do a haul. That is 3 weeks in a row that I'm doing a haul. I think I might have a problem. Today we are doing a Sephora haul. Woo! Cause I need it, oh my God. My makeup is so dry. I finally had to just throw it away even I don't know what the hell that was, but anyways, ghosts in my house. I finally had to throw away my eyeliner because it was so dry. I was like dipping it in water, like trying to put eyeliner on. So I'm just going without eyeliner. And my mascara is super dry. I keep doing the thing where you put like eye drops in it. It's starting to not work anymore. So I had to like buy makeup. I really prefer to go in and buy makeup because I like to try new things and experiment with different things and buy different stuff. But I went ahead and I bought some stuff that I had been wanting to try and we'll see how that goes. But I'm gonna open this up. I'm gonna smell some stuff. I'm gonna let you know what I think about it. And also in the comment section below, if you've tried any of these products or if you have like a product in particular that like kind of is the same style product that you particularly like, please let me know. I'm trying to learn how to do my makeup. Like I'm really bad at it, but I'm trying to learn. It's on my vision board over there. If you haven't seen that video, I'll tag it above to learn how to do my makeup and hair and stuff. So I'm really trying. Also, I just wanted to show you guys my beautiful dress. This was a gift for Christmas from my au pair, Chen Chen. She's from China and she bought this for me from China and it fits so beautifully and I love wearing it. I feel like so pretty in it. It's like black velvet. Just wanted to say that. I don't know. It's completely irrelevant to what we're doing right now. But anyways, here we are. All right, so let me go ahead and dive right into this unboxing and see what we got. I had the foresight to take my address off the box this time, so that's good. So let's see what we got. When you order stuff from Sephora, you can get free samples. So I got free samples too. And I also got a birthday gift because this is my birthday month and Sephora gives you a birthday gift on your birthday month. And I think it might be a full-size product. Yeah, it looks like it. Okay, so let's see what we have. All right, I'll just do the samples first. So this is BECCA Ignite. It's a liquid highlighter. So there it is. There's like 3 different liquid highlighters to try. I do use highlighter. I mean, if you can't tell, like my face is always super shiny because I do masks and I do highlighter and I love to look glowy. So I kind of feel like a liquid highlighter maybe would last longer. I use Jeffree Star right now. We'll see how they work out. Maybe I'll start using liquid highlighter. I don't know. The next thing I have, which is my go-to, I have really long eyelashes, which is so nice, but they're really light. I mean, you can't even tell. Like right now they look horrible because again, even before the shutdown, I didn't go get makeup. I always procrastinate on getting makeup because I want to spend some time in there. And so when everything was getting ready to shut down and I was still like, I don't really want to go outside. And then everything got shut down and I'm like, well, crap. All my stuff is dry. But anyways, this is my go-to mascara. I always use this mascara. I love this mascara. This is the Better Than Sex mascara. Is my favorite. It makes my eyes like bam. Like seriously, it makes my eyelashes like huge. And I've used like fiber lashes and stuff before. This, in my opinion, works better. So that's what it looks like. Better Than Sex by Too Faced. And I'll show you the brush because that's important. I feel like the brush makes a huge difference. It's a nice brush. It separates lashes and it makes you have such voluptuous eyes. There's also one that's Better Than Sex and it's like Damn Girl or something like that. Not that one. This one. This is the best one. The original, the OG. Oh, by the way, did you guys see my little vase over here? That was from my FabFitFun box. I took it out and I put it with my Chanel stuff. Doesn't it look so beautiful in my room? I love it. Oh, this was another sample. It was by Givenchy. It's hopefully a perfume and not a cologne, but here it is, just a little sample. And you get 2 samples when you buy stuff from Sephora. This is white flower crossed with a dark woody accord. Give it a little spritzy poo. This is like an interesting little thing. Come on, can I get this done? That's the tiniest spray ever on this planet. I can't be mad, it was free. Wow. Oh my God, that smells so good. I've never smelled this before. I've actually never smelled any Givenchy perfumes at all. Wow. Okay, well, they sold me on the sample because now I'm gonna buy this. It's like really beautiful. It kind of reminds me of how Lush smells when you walk into the Lush store. Wow. Mixed with Fruity Pebbles. Oh, did I order 2 of these? Oh, I did. That was an accident. I accidentally ordered 2 of these. This 2-step intensive soothe kit. This is a cryo rubber face mask. I do face masks a few times a week because it helps to add moisture back into my face. And I have a friend who, well, I have a lot of Korean friends because I speak Korean, if you guys didn't know. My Korean friend told me the best time to do face masks was between 11 or 10 and I think 11:30 or 12 at night because that's when your skin's repairing. So a few times a week I do a face mask around that time, and I typically do a Korean face mask, or I have this like overnight mask from Youth to the People, and I also use snail face masks. If you're not familiar with snail face masks, they're amazing. I know it sounds disgusting, but they really do wonders for your face. So I do those, but this one is new. I've never tried it. It is cryo rubber with soothing allicin. It's becoming very apparent to me from my YouTube videos that I don't know how to read. Sorry for my illiteracy. But it's a 2-step process. So what you do is they have like this little capsule and you like squeeze that stuff out, you put it all over your face, and then you take this little rubber mask and then you put the rubber mask over, and the mask is actually, it's not rubber, it's made from like algae and stuff. Oh, it is Korean. It's still Korean, so I'm still doing the Korean face mask. This is just a more intense version of what I normally do, because I normally do the one you rip and you just put it on your face. So I got 2 of these, and I will be using this and letting you guys know what I think of it. By the way, does anybody have any go-to masks? Because I'm always looking for new ones, especially Korean skincare. Korean skincare, in my opinion, is like some of the best. I mean, they really take their skincare seriously. This is a Sephora. This is a Sephora Words are hard. This is a Sephora Beauty Insider product. This was actually my free gift. You order something, you don't actually even have to order anything. I think you just can go on there and then get this for free on your birthday. This is Brazilian Bum Bum Cream. Have you guys used this before? I don't even actually know what it is, but I was interested enough by the name, Bum Bum Cream. So let me just read what this does. Fast absorbing body cream. That's all it says. What? That's all it says? Is it for your bum? I mean, right? It is, right? Oh, there's 2 in here. That's cool. Look at that. I'm recording. One is a Brazilian Bum Bum Cream and one is a Coco Cabana cream. The Brazilian Bum Bum Cream, it says fast absorbing body cream, okay? It doesn't say anything else about your bum. I don't know if you just put it on the bum. And then the Coco Cabana cream is an instant rush of hydration for visibly luscious skin and lasting moisture. Okay, so these are products I would probably buy anyways. I don't know what the Bum Bum Cream is. Maybe you guys can enlighten me. Oh my God, it smells really good though. Maybe it's for like stretch marks. I don't really know. Okay, they both smell incredible. Actually, they might have sold me on these too, not gonna lie. So this was my birthday gift from Sephora. Next we have my very first ever Fenty Beauty product. I've been wanting to try Fenty Beauty. If you didn't know, that's Rihanna's brand and I love Rihanna, so obviously I have to try Fenty Beauty. So here's my very first product from Fenty Beauty, so we'll see how the quality is. This is a hydrating primer. So I don't actually wear, again, I'm learning how to do my makeup, so please correct me if I'm wrong. I've never wore primer because I don't wear concealer and I don't wear like cover up. Are those the same thing? Ooh, I really don't know. Because I have freckles, I don't really like to cover my freckles up, quite frankly. I really like my freckles. I want them to show. But I figured it might help keep my highlighter there longer and my blush and stuff, hopefully. And then just like keep my skin hydrated. Oh wow, so it's really beautiful. Just off the top, I really love the packaging. It's like this soft pink. It's really, really pretty. I'm gonna go ahead and open it up and kind of just like see how it feels. I still smell that Givenchy perfume and it smells so good. It's really light, so there's no color to it. If you see it there, it's just, let's see, rub it in. There's literally like no color, so that's nice. Oh, okay, so I see that it like kind of filled in the holes a little bit, so it's just gonna make your skin maybe like overall smoother. Not much of a smell, it's like a really baby soft smell, so I like that, so I'm gonna give that a try. It's in a glass bottle, which I really appreciate the high quality packaging. If you guys do have a primer that you like that won't add any like color or anything, or maybe it is just like a little bit of a shine. Again, I'm learning, I'm trying different things. Please help me. Okay, the next thing I have is actually another mask. And I wanted to try this Dr. Jart. Jart? Is it Jart? Yeah, it's the same as the other masks that I got, but it's just like this little, like, look at this packaging. Like, is that not the coolest thing you've ever seen? Let me just read the directions really quick. Dr. Jart Shake and Shot Rubber Brightening Mask. So this is a brightening mask. Shake it up, instant brightening boost. Instant, I like that. I'll just open it up real quick and show you guys what's inside. The spatula was like the thing that was coming out of the mouth, and then you have these like little 2 packets. So you mix them together in this cup, and then you have a mask. It's like an interesting mix on, no pun intended, an interesting mix on how you would normally do a mask. Do you guys use these? Have you ever used these before? Do they work? Are they worth the money? It wasn't cheap. Well, I mean, this is one mask, and I think it was like $12. Wow, saying it out loud, I'm really hoping that it works. Next, we have, okay, so actually this is something that I got for my birthday, so it's not technically part of this haul, but it is from Sephora, and I just got it not too long ago for my sister. So it is the Youth to the People Yerba Mate Resurfacing Energy Facial. This is pretty abrasive. I can use it like once, maybe twice a week, but it is like a microderm abrasion sort of treatment, and it makes your skin like so nice. It really scrubs everything off and like leaves it like really, it has yerba mate in it, so it's like caffeine and stuff and enzymes, so that's pretty cool. So here's the packaging, and I'll open it up for you. I have used it a couple times and I really love it. There it is in there. Actually, it looks like yerba mate. If you're looking for a facial scrub, I highly recommend Youth to the People. I recommend Youth to the People for most anything. Their products are really high quality. They are expensive, they're California made, but they are worth every penny in my opinion. And skincare is important, so spend your money how you will, you know what I mean? You get what you pay for. So moving on to my very last item. So here is another Fenty Beauty item. Again, I wanted to try Fenty Beauty. I think it was the packaging that sold me, to be honest, because it's really beautiful. But I also really needed an eyeliner. I told you earlier, like I was dipping my eyeliner, and I usually use Tarte, by the way. I was dipping my eyeliner in water to like get the eyeliner going. It was insane. Oh God, it was so bad. So anyways, I had to get a new eyeliner. That one I really liked, but I can typically not find it for some reason. The kind that I want, what is it called? I can't remember what it's called, but usually the Tarte one is only Sex Kitten, and I don't really like that one. For some reason, the tip, it like always leaks all over. I just like this older version, and I feel like they don't like sell it anymore. I had to try a new one. So this is Fenty Beauty eyeliner. Some of the reviews did say that it started off really great and then it dried out. Hopefully it doesn't do that, but I thought I would just give it a try anyways. Everyone has varying experiences. I did need something with a really small felt tip, because I have small eyes and I don't like a big wing. So here it is right here. Very pretty packaging. That's the end. Very nice. I really like that. It looks like the perfect tip for me. Wow, precision on point. I love this. Let me see. Let me just do a little swipey poo. Whoa! Oh my gosh, okay, look. Wow, look at that. Very small. If you have small eyes or you have like hooded eyes like me and you kind of need something a little more dainty, wow. You can see like I'm wiping it and it's staying on. I'm wiping it pretty hard too. So far, this is my favorite of today. I mean, so far. Like the haul's over, it's done. Like I've already opened everything, but I'm really excited to use this because I haven't used eyeliner in like almost a month, so. That is my haul. Thank you guys so much for watching. By the way, I do uploads every Tuesday and Friday. Tuesday, I do Travel Tuesday. Friday is Fun Friday. I do different kinds of things like hauls and dress try on and whatever else. If you guys do have a suggestion, something you would like me to do, please drop in the comments below. Also, please let me know what you thought of this haul. If there's something in particular you think I should get next time, please let me know. And also, please subscribe to my channel. It actually helps me to grow my channel when you do subscribe. So please be sure to do that and ring my bell to get notification every time I do an upload. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so much, and I hope you're doing well. And until next time, bye babes.